How to see messages without opening on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see messages on Snapchat without opening them. So to do that, first of all, let's go to our Snapchat app. Now let's go to our chat, and now let's say this is the chat we want to read but without opening it. So in order to do that, what you have to do is tap on your Bitmoji for less than a second and then quickly swipe to the right without releasing your finger. That way you'll be able to half swipe and see the message without opening. So let me show you. Tap on their profile and quickly swipe to the right and then don't release your finger. And now you'll be able to see messages without opening the actual message. So now as you can see, you've already read the message, but in reality you have not opened the message. So that is basically how you see messages on Snapchat without opening it. So let me show you once again. Tap and hold on the Bitmoji and then quickly swipe to the right and don't release your finger. That way you'll be able to read the message without opening them. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.